For now. Hey guys, I'm Blueberry.
And then I'm Strawberry.
And that make the Fruit Squad!
The Fruit Squad. And today we're playing Animal Hospital with my laggy self.
With these people, let's play with them too.
No, it's not even that bad, bro.
Yeah.
They're noobs. They're new starters, I mean. work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening.
Guys, we trying to go to 13, you know.
Shift 13
15
or above.
above.
You need to make yoinking the coffee.
Oh, the coffee. It'll be better.
I'm keeping it.
I need to play some audio music.
Do y'all know how to play this game? Probably not. You have to wait.
Wait, I'm a nerd. Alright, let me play some audio music.
Be a patient.
My audio music. Alright. Good thing?
Bro, stop stealing my job and go help Pat. Dang. So annoying these days. Anywho. Hey, y'all slow. Why the hell walk so slow?
I'm saying. Oh, no, the mac and cheese. That's why I hate mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is so nasty. Okay. Alright.
I think I might be the best.
Oh, excuse me.
I think he has bright eyes. Whoa! Go. I got you. Yeah, by the way, guys, did you know that this video was 1 second above?
Yeah, I know.
Because it was delayed for us. I knew it. It's bright eyes.
Bro, that cheese pull on that bro, the cheese pull on that what you call them? Mac and cheese?
Love Day game?
No, mac and cheese. I shouldn't put all that cheese on it, and I choked on it, and I had to spit it right back out. Oh my God.
You can!
Bro, oh my God, you got a big kid too? Hey.
I know, we all got the same size head. Not you.
Not him. Yeah, get out of here. Let's see what my payment is today.
Please be 63 $.
Who did good? Let's see.
$. $63.
Oh my God! Of course it's the strawberry head. Of course, strawberry.
I told you I did the operation and I did medical. Oh wait, that's an anomaly. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
He's stupid. He's stupid.
Ooh, coffee. I'm taking that.
Coffee?
Who's walking? What is that noise? Who's walking? Guys, comment down below how you found this key. How you found the key for this? Cause I want to know how you found the key. Cause I want to see what's in there. Comment down below. And remember to like and subscribe. You want to see more Animal Hospital.
I got disconnected again, bro. Why did this happen to me?
I guess we have to restart.
Why does this happen to me? I was just about to leave, but the game said I'll do it for you.
Let's restart.
God darn it!
Calm down, Dora the Explorer. Tell me this, CJ, why would you block me from beating you in Strongest Battlegrounds? How do you feel about?
Hello.
Oh my God! Look at this laggy bed. Of course you want some chicken. DJ, let me tell you this. I was on a call with my friend, right? He just being so dirty-minded.
What?
Like, he trying to make jokes, but it just sounds so harassment and weird.
Harassing you?
Yes, he harassing me. Talking about, and it's talking about some weird jokes, bro. That's not even funny. That's just weird. Like, how that's gonna be?
I'm here for my appointment.
Wait, what's this kind of name?
Go do your job. Go get ready for your job.
Who would name their child Ekhorn? Yeah, why you an Ekhorn? Yeah.
Yeah, we know you got room 1. Just hurry up and get out.
Yeah, guys.
We want you to get out.
Yeah, we're trying to hurry up.
Yes, dry eyes, I think. I heard the patients here aren't really sick, for real.
Who? Who's like that?
The patients, no. Patient, yeah. Hurry up. ... Hurry up and get the frick up out of here. We want an appointment. We're ready for your dang appointment.
Guys, I'm trying my best to make Roblox videos, but I don't even like the Roblox videos. Tell me the reason why I don't like it.
Bro, you got 9 views in 3 hours. What you want about?
Bro, honestly, no one barely even watched the content I post. Like, no, not all of it, but
Pat, no, listen. Pat, listen. You got 9 views in 3 hours. That's your world record.
no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about my other channel. Yeah. And this guys, like and subscribe to CJ Has, cause he needs some likes. He need to get to 100. He need to get to 100 subscribers.
So close. Even though I don't post, I'm posting with Pat. I think I did the best.
You do the best, boy.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna make some more gacha live videos of Miss Shark. Miss Shark she got a lot of children. Not like a lot of children, but she got 2 children.
A lot wouldn't be at least like 5.
CJ, do you know who's Miss Shark is?
No.
It's my other girl OC. I got a boy now. I'm not a girl, I'm a boy now. But Miss Shark is some. But Miss Shark.
Guess who did the best? I did the best.
Oh darn, man. Bro, I need to go touch some the charger. Honestly. George is scared. Shut up. Someone just do it on themselves. Ooh, she just shard up herself. Ooh, that's disgusting. Okay, so I cannot touch my. Okay, it's still bugged. Okay, but the charger is not working. But my phone gonna die. Oh my god. Finally. How it's not charging? Oh my god, it's gonna die. What did you mean? Okay. So my phone cannot charge. Are you telling me my phone cannot charge at all, bro? Bro, my phone cannot charge. Bro, where's the key? We need a key. Oh my god, I wish a spoon could open that out. Wait.
What?
But my phone is not charging. My phone's not gonna charge. Yep. CJ, my phone is not charging. It's a bad thing. Yeah, I need to stop touching my phone. I have to be FK. Guys, I cannot touch my phone. Oh my god. It's still not charging, so what's the point of charging if it's not gonna charge? Oh my god, I cannot do it. I can't.